Hey guys, welcome back. So we got your hood kits. This is your two long strips that go up the hood. These are your two short strips that go up your hood vent. Coincidentally, this is the same kit for the underbody. This would be your passenger side chassis, your right side chassis, and then these two would be going across your bumper bar, up under the bumper. So they start in the middle, and one goes out to the left, one goes out to the right side. That way they're in sync with one another. So if you guys are looking for a complete plug-and-play underbody kit or hood kit with vent, let me know. We also got the double eyebrow, the triple eyebrow, and some other stuff as well, including rim lights and whatnot. But if you're looking for a set, let me know. I've still got some prices going on until the end of the month, entry prices. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.